In this video, we're going to talk about constants in the C programming language. So a constant is a variable whose value cannot be changed. So the value is immutable, meaning that if we assign, for example, as we have assigned 50 to the variable age, if age was a constant variable, we will not be able to change the value. So I'm going to show you an example now. Because this isn't a constant variable, we can change the value below. So I can come down and say age is equals to 100, and then I can also now come down to print age. So you are going to see that the value of age actually changes from 50 to 100. So once I run this code, you see that it's first printed 50 and then it's printed 100, because at first we set the age of 50 we set the value of age to be 50, then we change the value of age to be 100. So that is why it's printed 50 and then 100. So this isn't possible using constant variables, because again, at the beginning of this video, I said the value of a constant variable cannot be changed. So how exactly can we create a constant variable? We can do this using the const keyword, and we can do it in two ways. We can decide to pass in const and then the data type, then the name of the variable, and equate this to 50, or we can pass in const right after the data type. So we can also say int const age is equals to 50. So this is just declaring that we are setting the variable age to be a constant variable. Now notice what happens when I run this code. Once I run it, you can see that it's giving us an error, because at the top we had declared that age is a constant variable. Since age is a constant variable, it means we cannot change the value. So the error is coming from line 8. So we can just simply remove those two lines, and then if we run the code again, you can see that everything is working smoothly now. So basically, the value of a constant variable cannot be changed. Now there's also something that I need you to take note of. It is like industry standard to always name constant variables uppercase letters. So for example, instead of saying age in lowercase, I will say age in uppercase. So it's more of like an industry standard type I would say paradigm. So anytime you're creating constant variables, you can either put the const keyword before the data type or after the data type, followed by the variable name, which is supposed to be, or which is according to industry standards supposed to be uppercase, and then you now equate this to the actual value. So that is all we are going to talk about in this video. If you have any questions, or if you had any error, you can drop a comment in the comment section and I will reply you. Please like, share, subscribe, and come back for more videos.